Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel coming at you today with a cold start walk around video for this 1997 Ford F350 7.3 Powerstroke XLT 1-ton crew cab long bed. Super nice truck. Getting harder to find these OBS. It is a 5-speed manual too. One of my favorite parts about it. XLT gray interior, none of that bright red stuff. Power windows, power locks, power seats. Actually, I lied. Manual seats. I don't get it right in all the videos, guys. Don't judge me. I've got a lot of trucks here to remember. But let's go over this one here. Miles are not terrible for it. It is cold too, just so you know. 214,858 on the miles. Truck is cold. Haven't been running yet today. Fire is right up. No check engine lights, nothing weird. Idling right where it should be. It's a really nice truck. It's very clean on the inside. You would not expect it for a 21-year-old truck to be this clean. Ice cold AC, CD player. It's got an auxiliary port so you can hook your tunes up on your phone and go. Someone's upgraded the speakers, sounds pretty good. Sounds like it has. ZF 5-speed manual transmission, so pretty basic setup. Awesome setup, actually. People love these shifters. I don't know why I called it a shifter. I'd say transmission. Also has manual shifting 4-wheel drive, trailer brakes. Got a 5th wheel ball in the back, or a gooseneck ball in the bed. Sorry, I'm off my game today, guys. But yeah. That's pretty much it. It does have the door mount tow mirrors too. Corner windows, I haven't opened them, so let's pop the hood and go under there. Parking brake does work on a manual truck. It holds it nice. Make sure all my doors are unlocked. Does have these sweet bullet door locks in case you get into a pinch and need a bullet. Just joking. I got a grill guard here, so I gotta put the phone down. Sorry, we got a grill guard in the way there. .73 runs strong. At some point, someone went in here and painted the valve covers and the turbo housing blue and the high pressure oil pump. But all that aside, it's a stock truck. It's well taken care of. Very minimal blow by. No cap movement at all. Good running truck though. Exactly what you would expect out of a 7.3 Powerstroke. So we've got a Lund brush guard, which is what makes it hard to open the hood because it's right there. We've got a set of aftermarket eBay style headlights. They were in the truck when I got it. They look brand new. Lights bright on them. They're nice. You can buy a stock set for 40 bucks if you don't like them though. Chrome bumpers in great shape. You will notice we put brand new AMP all-terrain tires on them. They're 33s, 305, 75s, I believe. 305 70/16s. So it's got a nice set of the 12 style whole wheels. Got locking hubs on there, manual locking hub. We do have Motorcraft OE shocks. I mean, a lot of really nice parts on this truck. It's got an overhead visor, smoke 5 highs. A little bit of lift kit on it. I mean, it was already on it when we got it. There has been some rust repairs you can see in there. I'm not claiming this to be a rust-free truck. It is super clean. For a 97, this thing is amazing. It does have your cowboy handles on here. Rockers, cab corners in excellent shape. They don't look to ever be touched or repaired really. They all seem original. But on the bed, someone's covered up some rust there. It's been done at some point. It isn't terrible. It isn't great. You can find these beds off half tons, usually sitting around for 400, 500, 600 bucks sometimes. So, and it does have a ball on the bed. Like I said, we got a gooseneck ball. Pretty clean, straight old tailgate, which is amazing for considering this truck's 21 years old. It does have a bed liner in it too. Chrome bumpers in great shape. It's not all dinged up or caved in like the majority of them. Exhaust is dumped in the middle. You can see it right there. That's the exhaust dump. Pretty clean old truck, again with the rust spots on the bed. It's not a hack job, it's not a professional job. It's a 10 feet job for sure. It looks great from 10 feet, you can't really tell. This window will be tinted. It's driving me nuts, I don't know why. Oh, it feels great in here. We've got a sliding rear window, cup holders, ashtray. Just trying to get you a feel for the truck. I mean, for being the age, I would tell you to expect it to be a little bit more beat up. This truck isn't beat up. We do have some dings in the fender up here. And then you can see this body line on the hood is messed up. It's missing the hood hinge. It's like someone tried to close it and the hood hinge snapped, so they took it out. This, it looks like chain whip almost because it comes in sections. I don't know. Besides that though, I think we can agree this truck is pretty darn clean for what it is. So, a couple blemishes up there, a little bit of rust. Other than that, a straight old truck. If you are interested in seeing this, come check it out. We're downtown Kansas City. You can call the shop directly to make an appointment Monday through Saturday. We do not operate on Sunday. 816-298-7030. That's the shop phone number. If you want to get a hold of me now, you can text me or call my cell phone direct. My name's Cameron. 913-735-3748. Give me a buzz, let me know what you need. All the information's on the website, 816diesel.com. VIN number, pictures, anything you might need. So let us know what we can do to help. Happy to show you the truck, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks, guys.